What you lack in talent, you can make up in hustle, willpower, and determination. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video if you enjoy it. Today's video is all about making sure that you've got that willpower, you've got the drive, and you're ready to be successful. What you lack in talent, I truly believe you can always make it up in your ambition. You can always make it up in your willingness to grow, in your willingness to learn, in your perseverance, in your patience, and in your drive. You see that so many people have talent, but they never really get as far as they possibly can. You probably know so many singers, so many actors that you know are super talented, but they're not the most recognized. They're not where you think they should be. It's because they're also lacking drive, they're lacking passion, they're lacking willpower. I truly believe that willpower, passion, drive, determination, ambition is more important than actually having the talent. There's so many people out here that have no talent, not meaning that in the most disrespectful way, but some people don't have talent, but you find that they're one of the most successful people we know. It's because they have the determination, they have the drive, they're willing to learn. They're willing to learn what it takes to become the best version of themselves, what it takes to become and to get to where they need to be. They're willing to put the hours in, they're willing to put the effort in. So you have to be that way. Don't limit yourself and limit your passions because you feel like you don't have talent. These days you don't even need talent to be successful. All you need is your passion, your why. Your why has to be so strong that you don't see yourself doing anything else but succeeding, whatever that looks like to you. You have to give your dream, your vision 100% blood, sweat, and tears. You have to give it your all. Talent is just not enough. There's so many people that can sing, that can dance, that can act. If you're trying to maybe break into the entertainment world, you have to think, what's really different about me? What do I have to offer? If there's 10,000 people that can sing, you're not going to be picked as the global star. It has to be something that differentiates you. What do you have that the other person doesn't have? How much are you willing to give to get to that level? How much effort are you willing to put into your dream? How much effort are you willing to put into becoming the best version of yourself? That's what it's all about. This journey of becoming the best version of yourself is not about what you can do. It's also about how willing are you to learn, how adaptable you are. Make sure that you're able to adapt to situations. Make sure that while adapting into different situations, also keep your integrity, keep your morals, keep your drive, keep your patience. Do not be strayed because you want to realize your dream so much that you're willing to give everything and step on people's toes so you can get there. You still have to keep your values. Yes, talent is great. It's great to be able to have a base and where to start off, but talent isn't going to save you. Talent isn't going to keep you afloat. Being good at numbers isn't going to keep your business. Your business is more than just the books. Sometimes it may be something as the personal skills. Do you have personal skills to relate to your clients, to relate to your customers? Do you have a good marketing strategy? Whatever it may be, you don't need the talent. You just need to be able to have the drive, the willpower, and the determination, and you get there. You become the best version of yourself and you'll be successful in whatever way that looks like to you. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.